What is up, YouTube, and welcome back to the channel. Hope everyone had a great weekend. Check this out. Yeah, I can't rotate the video. Never mind. Alright, YouTube, here's the 2018 Ram. I'm going to give y'all a quick walk around the vehicle like I told you I would in the last video. This is my 2018 Ram, 5.7 Hemi liter. Express model. Got it back in August. It's bone stock right now. So ready to get these upgrades going. Here is the beds. Came with the spray-on bed liner. Walk around to the rear. It's got the dual exhaust. Rear view camera right here. Y'all can see that in the tailgate handle, and I'll show y'all how that works in just a second. Full walk around of this beautiful truck. Loving this truck so far. See my wife over there. Here she is. Take y'all to the inside. Nothing special on the inside, just cloth interior, basic AM, FM radio with the Bluetooth. Hoping to change out these seats and get leather upholstery at some point, maybe even redo the console and the inserts right here in the door. I think I want to do some black leather with either some red accents or red stitching, something of that nature. Not 100% sure yet. Hey, babe, will you give me the key to the truck? It does have the automatic locks and windows. Or the electronic. Alright, take y'all around to the driver's side. Thank you. So here is my gauges, steering wheel. Sorry, got the phone in the way. There's the steering wheel. Start this bad boy up for y'all. Ooh, listen to that Hemi purr. Phone is connected to the Bluetooth. Here's the rear view camera. I don't know if y'all be able to see this. I'm going to put it in reverse. Camera pops up right there in the rear view mirror. Just a little small rear view mirror camera. Digging that. Very helpful. So, I am anxious to get this thing going. I'm hoping that my first upgrade, I'm actually already looking into it. I'm hoping the first upgrade is going to be either 22 or 24 inch rims. I'm not sure which ones yet. I'm debating. But I believe I'm gonna go with the SRT-10 replicas. Alright, so yes, I believe I want to go with the SRT-10 replicas. I'm not sure if I want them in black or the machine face. Either way, there are a lot of people that have these wheels on this truck, but that's what my main option is right now, is the SRT-10 replicas. Like I said, there are a lot of people that have these wheels, but around here where I'm at, there's not so much. But I believe, in my own personal opinion, that these are a really aggressive looking wheel for this truck, and I'm really pumped to get them on here, hopefully sooner than later. Ready to get this bad boy pepped up a little bit also and get some little more power under the hood. Can't wait to get this thing going. I'm so excited to share this with y'all. Anyway, I hope all y'all have a great day. Video was just short, kind of to the point, but look forward to the next one. See you on the next video, guys.